Do 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 do. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to do part 2 of what's inside the box. So let me go ahead and get in there and I'll show you everything that's in the box. Here we go. Whee!
Hey, would you get out of there? It's my job to show what's inside the box. Come on.
Hey, don't be so rough.
Well, stay away from my stuff. Hey everyone, how's it going? Okay, today, part 2 of what's inside the box. So, where if you saw the last video, if you haven't, go see the last video, and then that way you'll know what it is I'm doing here. Just showing people things inside this box that I haven't opened in over 12, 13 years. So let's get to the point. Now. 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 Oh, that's right. Get to the point. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again. I'm back. Yeah, you're probably sick of seeing me. So, okay, so part 2 of what's inside the box. I think last time I already showed you what's in this box, so we'll go past that. Another card box. Let's see what's inside. Hopefully gold or something worth gold. More cards. Not surprised. More Marvel card. Looks like a retro Marvel X-Men cover. And oh, okay, these aren't Marvel cards. This first one was. These look like, I don't know what these are. Now, let me tell you something. Some of this stuff, when I worked at the comic book store, was given to me. And the reason why is there was overstock, or people returned stuff, or it was sitting on the shelf so long they just had to get rid of it, so it was given to me. Like I said, I don't think this stuff is worth much, so but it's kind of fun to go through it. I'm not sorry I have it. It does take up room, but who cares? These look like the original late 90s Batman movie cards. I don't know if you could see that. Maybe that's like the making of or something. And some of these look like concept art. Maybe. Here's some more. It looks like concept art of the Batman movie. And back of them. That's what the back looks like. I don't think these are really worth anything. I may have the whole collection here. I'm not sure. Are these all? Oh no, we're getting into. What a surprise! More Marvel cards. Elektra. This one was here. Again, it looks like I just threw them in here. Not caring about. Thor 2099. I remember that book. Nobody bought it. Here is some Animaniacs cards. I definitely know what that is. Okay, I know who these characters are too. I remember Montana Max, Babs Bunny. Forget his name. Why do I have? Again, I don't know why I even have most of these, to be completely honest with you guys. Have no idea. Animaniacs and... what else is in here? Silver Surfer. Okay, so... more cards. You all saw that already, so I'm getting bored with them. Okay. These I bought, these myself, X-Men Metallic Mutants. They were like versions of, they say these are the 10-inch tall figures. This says 10-inch tall, which makes me wonder, okay, Wolverine is a short guy in the comic book. He's like 5'5" or 5'3" or something. And Sabretooth is obviously really tall. So are they both really 10 inches tall? Because then they're not to scale. Wolverine should be much shorter than Sabretooth. At least that's what I think. So I bought these thinking they might be worth something because they were the metallic mutants, and you see they're kind of like gold color. All they did was just change the color, making kind of a goldish color, and that makes them metallic. So collect them all. So I got Wolverine, Sabretooth, another card. Imagine that card in here. Cyclops, metallic. Kind of makes no sense, but I think that's all of them. Yeah, it was just Cyclops, Sabretooth, and Wolverine. And what does Wolverine have in his hand? I showed a picture on there. Some type of a pistol. I guess sometimes even Wolverine needs a gun. And, okay, this is just a Gambit figure I bought. 10-inch tall Gambit. Again, I think the last time I looked these up, which was probably, like I said, over 10 years ago, they still weren't worth, I think, what I ended up paying for them. So, alright, moving on. I'm a huge, I know why this is, I'm a huge Alien fan, Alien and Predator. So this is the Power Loader with Ripley in it, toy. Aliens. Space Marine Power Loader. With missiles too. Okay, so this is definitely not the one from the movie because it never fired missiles. And this one looks like it's on tracks that roll instead of moving from, you know, like a human with one foot to the other. The Power Loader. Oh, back in the day. Okay, I know what this is. This is, and it's used, unfortunately, Matchbox Robotech SDF-1 Battle Fortress. And there's some cards in here. Why am I not surprised? So this is what it looks like. SDF-1 Battle Fortress. And again, huge Robotech fan, that's why I bought this. I feel, you know, if someone else was collecting it and I bought it off them. Again, I don't know if this is worth anything, and it's something I don't think I would sell. Just because it's just freaking cool. Yeah. SDF-1 Battle Fortress. So I'm keeping that. Okay, what is in here? This is like an ammo case, but why do I have something? Okay. Right off the bat, why am I not surprised? Well, I'll get something out first. More cards. I'm going to set this down before I throw it. Lady Death cards. Don't know if you can see that. Lady Death was a comic book. I forget what comic book company made it. And she's like the Grim Reaper or something like that. I must have the whole collection here. That's why it's in this case. A Batman Forever mug. Someone with the Riddler on it. I think this is, yep, it's a McDonald's thing. Probably not worth anything because that wasn't one of the better Batman movies. And oh, a mini Godzilla. Look at that. A mini Godzilla with 2 right arms. How the heck? I'm a huge Godzilla fan, but I don't know why this one has 2 right arms. So he's in there. And look at this old, those pants to come down, Incredible Hulk figure. I better be careful with this. Look, elbows move, arms move, head's made of rubber. See that? but everything else is like hard plastic. Legs bend. I don't want to break it. Godzilla Hulk. Little Hulk toy. What else is in here? Okay, some Robotech cards. Why are these out of here? A She-Hulk card. And look, now we're really going back far. Bobby's World. Bobby's World and Cookie Crisp. That's Pogs. Can you see those? Remember Pogs? Remember The Simpsons? I traded your soul, Bart, for Elf Pogs. Remember Elf? He's back in Pog form. And Bart says, "You traded my soul for some stupid Elf Pogs?" Pogs. That's been a while. Oh, look, here's some loose. Look at here's a. Here are two Nintendo 64 Star Fox Pogs. I remember you'd stack them up and you take the slammer and you hit them. Why don't they bring Pogs back? I mean, did they really suck that bad, or I think they could make a comeback. So that's all. That's all that was in this thing. So, Batman button. Oh my God. Okay, I'm not even gonna open this one. Original Alien, 1978 Alien trading cards. Yeah, the whole collection must be here. That's why I have it. Except a huge Alien fan. That's what they look like in the back. That's what the front looks like. So, ooh, Matchbox, Tactical Core. Matchbox Robotech toy. Look at that. MK6 Battleoid. Unopened. God, that box looks old too. Yep. Maybe I'll open it one day. Finally, is this it? This is it. Mospeada 21. Perfect mounting reel change. Okay, this is like, I think this was from Robotech, and that's why I bought it. And it's a, okay, this dude rides this motorcycle, but then the motorcycle transforms into a suit that he wears. And see, it kind of shows in the back. Here he is, if you can see that, riding the motorcycle, and then you see he transforms, and the motorcycle wraps around him, and this is what he looks like on the side, supposedly, with the motorcycle suit around him. Riding suit. And I have this. Oh, the box has some damage here. But, wow, look at that. Can't believe I still have this. Some of the words are in Japanese. Mospeada. I'm probably not saying it right. S. Bernard. I guess that's the guy's name. Well, I still have this. I wonder if it's worth anything. Okay, so the box is empty. So that's it. That's what's inside the box. So thank you for watching this part 2 of what's inside the box. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this, and there'll be more videos coming out soon with me opening up other stuff. So hope you liked it again. Have a great day. Bye.